Guys, I'm bored. I'm in the house. I'm bored. So today I decided, let's take some wrap off my car. I don't know why, and I don't know if I'm gonna make a mistake by doing this, but YOLO. Wrap is so cheap, I get it so cheap. Might as well just do it. I'm kind of tired of the yellow. Too many people have yellow now. I don't want to change it up. So let's just go start with the hood and see what happens. Welcome back to another video. Not entirely sure if this is like a good idea. Oh my God, don't mind that. Nah. I'm not entirely sure if this is a good idea, but dude, I'm like literally bored. I have nothing to do, nowhere to go. I'm like, don't do it, then I'm like, do it. Then don't do it, then do it. And then I'm like, what's the word gonna say? I'm not gonna just rewrap this. So let me just go out and we'll go rewrap it. Okay. All right, so in all the videos I've ever seen about unwrapping, it's said that it's always easier when it's in the sun. It's been baking in the sun for so long. Kind of just woke up, as you guys can see. But let's go see how easy it would be to take off this hood. Like, I don't want to do the iconic split in the middle that everybody always posts on Instagram. So I'm gonna split it right in the, you know what? No, we're different. We're different than everybody else. We're gonna do it from like a corner over here. But as you guys can see, I brought this to a shop once and the guy messed it up. He hit the roof with the lift. He had the hood open and the lift was going up and my hood hit the roof and he didn't tell me anything about it, and I knew my hood was always in perfect condition. So I figured it out one day because the same thing happened literally as I was in the shop waiting for my car. Happened to another car, and I told him, I was like, oh, so that's what happened to my hood. But he didn't really give me anything, but yeah. So I'm just gonna start peeling this off. Holy moly. Oh, I feel like crying. This is like one of my favorite colors ever. Oh man, it's like instant regret. Instant regret. Not really. I mean, too many people have yellow, so just need something different. I think black looks so mean too. You guys ready to see? I don't think you guys are ready to see. Oh man, oh fuck. I took it all off. All of it is gone. I think I might do the trunk next, to be honest. It might just be the trunk next, to be honest. Because I think that looked pretty badass with a trunk. Let's start on that. Let's see what we can do here. See what we can do with this. I just don't, the carbon fiber wing, I'm not too sure about that. And this spot here wasn't necessarily the best wrap job. It's my first time ever. So this here wasn't that great. Let's do the bottom side because I can take off the license plate. I think I have the tool here for it. Yeah, I'm gonna take off this license plate and then I'm gonna just do like this whole bottom area and then see what it looks like from there on out. Holy moly, look at that. I'm not gonna lie, that actually looks pretty tough. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna do the rest of the trunk. There's that giant ball on the floor. Dude, this car is gonna be all black again. I can't believe that. That like blows my mind. The hood is pretty cool, but it's like, I think that I like that color black, like satin black. But let's not mess with that for right now. So, yep. You guys will see a new wrap soon on the channel. Brand new. It's crazy. We got this. My one boy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Things coming out ridiculous. But I'm just gonna peel out the rest of this and the top up there. It's gonna be a reaction video for both of y'all. Alright. Mostly because your brother hasn't been in here, but you've been in here. First time. gave you the stabilizer.
I know this shit moving.
Yeah. Bro, there you go. It won't move.
Oh, what the fuck?
I did 140 this morning with a Challenger.
On the highway?
Yeah. I was also 140. I was like, dude, this don't even feel like 140. I was like, hell no, I'm stopping. I'm not trying to die. It feels slower, right?
And it's not traffic though.
Ooh. That shit sounds sexy. That shit sounds great. I definitely want to get the rest of the wrap peeled off of it though. That's really bad because he drives that Honda Civic and he's dark skinned. See, I'll give it like some backfires and then I'll give it like gas. Like if I'm racing, if somebody wanted to go right now, right? What I'll do is I'll bounce it and then I'll give it some gas. You know what I mean? I don't know what they were saying. It's like a heavy sentence. It's legit gunshots, bro. Gunshots, yo.
Bro, I need me one.
I could push it now. Now that I got the brakes done, I could push it. Because before we couldn't push it, right? We had to. Well, I still pushed it. I was like,
nah, yeah.
Ooh, look, a Porsche.
Where at? They don't want it.
I don't want it.
You don't want it.
He's like, he don't want it. Yeah.
Bro, you can probably beat him.
Nah, I doubt it. That's a 911,
You think so?
bro. Yeah, he'll take me like nothing. I'll be his breakfast in the morning, and then he'll go to work perfectly happy. Yeah, I don't know, some guy in the yellow BMW trying to race me. I just whooped him. Oh, shit. Like, damn.
He thought he built it right.
Yeah, ended up being some cheap $2,000 bill. That's it. Nah. You know who hate me more? My neighbors. I don't drive
in the morning.
No, it's just like a cold start. It just turns on and goes, wham, and then it goes away.
Yeah, that when you started it up earlier, it was. Bah!
It kind of spooked me earlier. All right, yo. So we're here. Papa Jose helping me out. We got it pretty far. It's a good, decent. There's going to be a lot of primary parts on this. A lot is aftermarket. And I'll explain. Obviously, I bought the car on auction. This long story. But I'm just going to go ahead and peel off the rest of it. Try to finish today. This is actually pretty easy. If you leave it in the sun, literally take you probably like 2 hours. That's it. 3M, you guys do a good job. Maybe not on the doors though, because you know, you kind of took my paint off. Yo, all right, it's a little primer, different colors, but it looks mean in black. No wing, definitely. I'm probably gonna do that now. The no wing look on it, for sure. No wing. The diffuser, I gotta put that right back on. But man, this thing looks crazy. I'm gonna get the whole body panels painted black for sure. It's the way to go. Jeez, I don't know if you guys can actually see me, but I'm sorry I didn't get to film so much of the process of me taking off the wrap and all that. I don't know if you guys, yeah, you guys can definitely see me. So I didn't get to film so much of the process of taking off the wrap, like the yellow and all that. Mostly because like setting up the tripod, I broke one tripod, so it's like hard for me to have somebody film. But kind of wanted to get it done all in one shot. Just like little minor things I have to do. But hope you guys enjoyed the ride along and at least seeing it all peeled and everything. Colors should be coming. I'm going to order it this week. I'm still debating on the type of color I want. And I'm also trying to see if I can actually get Wrap sponsored, because I buy a lot from Metro Restyling, so hopefully they can sponsor me, or 3M or Avery, because I use their products all the time. It's not only on my car, like on other people's car and customers' cars when I used to wrap. I don't do that anymore. So I'm just waiting to see what's gonna go on with that. And if they do sponsor me, that'd be amazing. If they don't, then you know I still have my dealer's account and I still get a good discount. I just wanted to see something, you know, worst case they could say is no. You know what I mean? They always get sponsored by some luck or something, you know. But yeah, I didn't get to film so much of taking off the yellow, anything like that, but at least you guys got to see what the car looks like now without the yellow, because it did look like it was a full, like, amazing car. Now it's like primer and stuff, and you're probably like, wow, like that car has so many different colors. But I think it looks sick. I'm definitely gonna go wingless. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want me to do with the car. If you guys want to see different things added to it, if you want to see me track it, if you want to see me do this, do that, like, let me know, because I don't want this just to be part of like my thing, like how I wanted to come. I want some advice. If you guys want me to put hood vents in it, stuff like that, because you know, it's just a thing. Let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you think and what color I should put. I'm most likely gonna take a week or two to decide on what I want to wrap it. I'm thinking long term, maybe a month, because I do have two customers that want their cars wrapped. They're just not ready to get it done, but I'm gonna figure that out first. But I definitely have a couple colors floating around there, and then I'll do like a whole reveal, and then you guys will see the car wrapped. But other than that, don't forget to stop dreaming. Hope you guys like this video, and I'm out of here.